My beautiful friends, how you're doing? The Hamster Kombat team has outlined the activity parameters we've been waiting for ages, and in this new post they pointed out some very important things. Okay, so I want us to read them together and pay very close attention to the way they chose to use their words in this announcement. Okay, so you can see here we've received a lot of comments about the new playground section. We want to address them. First things first, participation in various activities will impact the amount of tokens received in the upcoming airdrop, not the fact of distribution itself. All players, but not bots, will receive the tokens. So this is a very important statement. Will impact the amount of tokens received in the upcoming airdrop. So one might want to ask now, what are the activities on the Hamster Kombat game? Okay, and of course you all know what the activities are. First, the daily combos. Next, Morse code. Next, the mining, okay, which increases our profit per hour. And of course, if we go to the reward section, there are other activities there that we're supposed to do on a daily basis. For example, watching those videos that show up there. Okay, and now we have the playground. Okay, the key puzzle mini game and the playground. Okay, so these are the activities at the moment. Okay, so you can see that participating in these activities gives you the opportunity or impacts on the amount of tokens you will receive. Okay, but down here they also pointed out that we also want to clarify that no section of the game is mandatory to play. So what they're saying in a sense is you don't have to participate in the combos. Okay, you don't have to play the key puzzle game, but you know what, if you do not participate, then you are obviously deliberately limiting the quantity of tokens you're going to get. Okay, because they said it here, the amount of tokens received is dependent on participation in various activities. Okay, so but you don't have to participate in any of them. You know why? Because the goal of introducing new features like the playground is to even out the chances for real players, new players, and players with different gaming styles to earn their share of tokens. So you see, if you are new to this game, if you didn't start it when all other people started, okay, if you just started maybe towards the dying minutes of this game, what you could do is to take the mini games seriously. Okay, the playground, make sure you get a lot of those keys because they are going to impact on the amount of tokens you would probably get. Okay, so replayers, new players, and players with different gaming styles will earn their share of the tokens. So what this is basically telling me is that the more of the keys you get, the higher the probability of earning more tokens during the airdrop. Okay, what do you guys understand from all of this? I might be wrong, but this is plain English. Okay, air your thoughts in the comment section. And of course they pointed out other things. Okay, for example, if you have been playing the 3D riding game on the playground, you'd agree with me that there are a lot of ads. Okay, ads would literally not allow you to play the game. So they are saying here, okay, in this section, that they would bring games that will be less ad heavy. Okay, and then of course the most important part of all of this right here is when is the airdrop, and they kind of answered that here. Okay, this section and this section. Okay, keep in mind that is a very complex technical task for all the platforms involved. That is, I'm talking about the Hamster Kombat Airdrop. Since Hamster Kombat is one of the biggest projects in the industry and can become the biggest airdrop in history, and of course it can also become the biggest failure in airdrop history. Okay, so this is a very dicey situation. So this presents potential overload for the network involved in the process. We value very much and want the airdrop to be carried out as smoothly as possible for every single one of you. And then of course here they said, right now we are working closely with the Tom blockchain team to develop the most efficient technical solution for our airdrop. So guys, this is the latest update. What do you guys think? Let's have your thoughts in the comment section. So this is it for this video. It's Big Zellbees and his guy Ken signing off for now. Don't forget to subscribe. The key puzzle game, the Morse code, and the other important activities would be uploaded in a few hours from now. Let's go.